for all you mug printing enthusiasts. Today, we're unboxing and taking a look at the Geonite DK3 mug press, a commercial-grade powerhouse for all your mug printing needs. If you ask the experts, Geonite is a name that always pops up for its reliability and performance. This specialty press from the Digital Night line is built exclusively for pressing mugs. It's fully adjustable, making it perfect for all kinds of mugs. From 11 ounce to 15 ounce, stainless steel travel mugs, and so many more. The wraparound design means you can print handle to handle and top to bottom, giving you full coverage. The DK3's heavy-duty steel frame and adjustable pressure system ensures precise prints every time. Plus, with its fast heat-up time and state-of-the-art digital controls, you can count on consistent results with every press. With Geonite's patented super coil micro-winding heater technology, your mugs heat up evenly and quickly. Unlike the cheaper options out there, the DK3 offers a 3-year, 3,000 mug warranty, making it a reliable investment for your business. If you're serious about mug printing, the DK3 is the press for your business.